Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best angle grinder in this video? I will show you the top 3 best angle grinders to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected WASI Cordless Electric Brushless Angle Grinder. Specifications: brand name, WASI. Disc bore diameter, 16 mm. Weight, 2.5 kg. Dimensions, 10 by 20 by 30 cm. Frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Disc diameter, 125 mm. Rated voltage, 20 volts. Model number, WSJ6. Type, angle grinder. Power source, electricity. Certification, CE. Motor speed, 5,000 10,000 SAR per minute. Battery cell type, lithium-ion battery. The item number 2 is 20 volts/21 volts cordless angle grinder. Specifications: brand name, PROSTORMER. Weight, 3 kg. Dimensions, 10 by 20 by 30 cm. Disc diameter, 125 mm. Rated voltage, 110 volts to 220 volts. Model number, TET 1016E. Type, angle grinder. Power source, electricity. Certification, CE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have M14 Brushless Angle Grinder. Specifications: brand name, Baybuck. Disc bore diameter, 14 mm. Weight, about 1.9 kg. No load speed, 10,000 revolutions per minute. Rated input power, 1,280 watts. Frequency, 50/60 Hz. Disc diameter, 125 mm. Rated voltage, 20 volts. Type, angle grinder. Power source, electricity. Certification, CE. Motor, brushless.